Now class, we will see how to multiply a monomial with a binomial. Last video you have learned how to multiply monomial with the monomial, and now we will see how to multiply a monomial with a binomial. What is monomial? Which number which have only one term, okay? And what is binomial? Binomial means a number which have two terms. Remember? Yes. Now see, here it is a monomial. So see, in the previous classes or in the previous chapter you have learned a distributive property. Remember, A into B plus C. Do you remember this property? Yes. So how do you solve this property? I told you this A is in multiplication with B and with C, क्योंकि ये ब्रैकेट के बाहर है. This A is in multiplication with B and with C also. So we write it at A into B and A into C. और बीच में साइन क्या आता है? ये वाला. Similarly, we will solve this question. Now see, here we have the bracket and bracket के बाहर we have 3x square which is in multiplication. That means ये 3x square इसके साथ भी multiply होगा और इसके साथ भी multiply होगा. Now multiply. First of all, 3x square will multiply with x. And here again the 3x square will multiply with y. क्यों मल्टीप्लाई किया? क्योंकि ब्रैकेट में था. दैट मीन्स ये दोनों के साथ हो रहा है मल्टीप्लाई. और बीच में साइन कौन सा आता है? ये वाला. नाउ सॉल्व. 3x स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स इट इज 3x क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर इंटू वाई 3x स्क्वायर वाई. दिस इज द आंसर. वेरी इजी. सी वन मोर क्वेश्चन. We will do it column method also. Next question we will do with the column method. The question is 4a plus 7b. Now see, ये ब्रैकेट के बाहर है और बीच में कोई साइन नहीं है. इसका मतलब ये दोनों इस ब्रैकेट के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है. दैट मीन्स दिस 4a is in multiplication with 3a and this 4a is in multiplication with 7b. और बीच में साइन कौन सा आएगा? ये वाला. पुट द साइन. 3 4s are 12. a into a square. 4 into 7 28. a into b. This is the answer. You can do this question with the column method also. Column method, write this. You have to multiply with 4a. Now multiply first these two terms. Multiply these two terms first. 3 4s are 12. a into a square. Put the sign. 4 7s are 28. a into b, ab. See, the answer is same in the both cases. Let's see one more. We will solve some more question from the exercise 6c. The question is 3/5 m square n. ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है m प्लस 5n के साथ में. How will you do it? See, this number is in multiplication with both the numbers. So first पहले हम इसको 3/5 m square n is in multiplication with m plus 3/5 m square n is in multiplication with 5n. Multiply them. So this will be remain 3/5 m square into m cube n plus 3 see, when you multiply 3/5 with 5, this will cut. So it will remain 3 m square n square. Very easy. Let's do question number 13. Or before that we will do 11. -4/27 xyz bracket 9/2 x square yz minus 3/4 xyz square. this means this term here is in multiplication with this and with this. Multiply. See, minus 4 upon 27 xyz is multiplying with 9 upon 2 x square yz. बीच में माइनस का साइन आएगा. नाउ दिस टर्म हेयर, write it here, minus 4 upon 27 xyz is in also multiplication with this 3 upon 4 xy z square. Now see, in the yesterday's video what I told you कि हमें क्या करना है, हमें पहले न्यूमेरिकल टर्म्स को साथ में मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 4 upon 7 इंटू 9 upon 2 इंटू x इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर, y इंटू वाई, z इंटू जेड. माइनस का साइन, वी हैव minus 4 upon 27 इंटू 3 upon 4 x y z, x इंटू x इंटू x, y इंटू y, z इंटू z स्क्वायर. नाउ सी, 2 2s are 4, 9 3s are 27, 3 9s are 27, 4 1s are 4. So here we got minus 2 upon 3 x cube y square z square minus, see here it is, we have the minus sign, minus 1 upon 9 x square y square z cube. माइनस का साइन सॉल्व करेंगे, then we will have this minus minus will make plus. This is the answer. Now move on to the question number 13. The question number 13 says 10a square 0.1 a minus 0.5 b. This is nothing. See, we will do this by column method. So write it in the columns. Now see, this 10a will multiply with 1, 0.1. So when you multiply 10 with 0.1, you will get 1. Yes, so we will have 1a cube. Minus का sign. Now when you multiply 10 with 0.5, you will get 5. So here we have 5a square b. And this is the answer. Move on to the next question. Question number 15. 2 upon 3 ABC. A square plus B square minus 3C square. Let's do it with column method. So write A square plus B square minus 3C square. और ये 2 upon 3 ABC इन तीनों के साथ में मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो फर्स्ट वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस विद a. सो वी हैव 2 upon 3 a इंटू a स्क्वायर a क्यूब, b c ऐसी रहेगा. देन मल्टीप्लाई विद दिस प्लस 2 upon 3 a b क्यूब c. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई विद दिस. नाउ व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस 2 upon 3 इंटू 3, 2 upon 3 इंटू 3 विल बी, कट जाएगा 3 से 3 तो 2 बचेगा. सो इट विल बी 2abc क्यूब. दिस इज द आंसर. नाउ क्लास, we will solve some word problem. Look at the question number 16 or say 18. Let's solve the 18. Find the product. The question says find the product s square minus st and find its value for s equals to 2 and t equals to 3. So first here we have two questions. पहले we have to find the product and then find the value. So we have to find the product of s square minus st. This means this s is in multiplication with this and this also. So write it in column form. and multiply s. S into s square, s cube minus s square t. Now we have this s cube minus s square t. Put the value of s and t in this. The value of s is 2, so it will be 2 cubed minus 2 square और 3 का वैल्यू कितना है 3. Solve it. 8 minus 4 into 3, 8 minus 12. So the answer is -4 and this is the value. ये जो आपकी इक्वेशन आई सॉल्व करने के बाद, इसमें you have to put these values and solve it further. Now class, in the next question we will do some, in the next video we will solve some simplifying question. Till then your homework is do the exercise 6C, question number 1 to 19. Do all the question from 1 to 19 of exercise 6C.